Welcome to the channel, PanRange Case Studies. We hope that the case studies mentioned here will benefit you in your daily life. Advantages of using information technology in education. New technology can be a fantastic opportunity to experiment and grow with new teaching methods in education. This video looks at the pros of using technology in schools. Among the reasons for using technology, we present some that are suggested by several teachers and researchers. Equality. There is a great disparity between schools in all countries. Even among public schools, there are schools with more resources than others. Students who have access to new technologies may have an increased chance of developing significant skills and advantages in the learning process. Motivation. Through constant feedback, technological tools motivate many students to learn more. Social. Creating opportunities for social proximity among apprentices is another advantage of using information technology. Possibility of expanding time and place. The student can access course materials and information presented by the teacher 100% of the time on the internet. Information technology allows learning anywhere, anytime. Note that class time is short. Depth of understanding. Through interactive simulations and illustrations, greater depth of understanding of a concept can be achieved. Due to access to the same tools, students can experiment with the concepts for themselves. New learning. New technologies allow students to learn for themselves through projects. They can also create affinity spaces through IT. New media for self-expression. Students can publicize their work through new technologies, presenting works with PowerPoint, recording and editing spoken presentation, digital photography, video, newspaper or diary, organizing school radio or TV station through the web, composing music on a synthesizer, create a website, create a blog, etc. Collaborative learning. It is a vital skill, according to several researchers, in the new digital world, the ability to work collaboratively on projects with others who may not even be physically close. This can be done using the new tools, web, email, instant messaging and cell phone. Instead of working alone at home, students can work in small groups at any time and place. Global communication. The student's worldview can be expanded because new technologies enable communication around the globe at zero cost. For example, the internet allows video conferencing. We can point out that researchers highlight the importance of understanding other cultures through direct dialogue and collaboration. Individual time. Information technologies allow students to organize their activities in a more personal way, according to their time and organization. Without interrupting others, they can repeat difficult lessons and explore topics that they find interesting. Personal productivity. Students need productivity tools to write, read, communicate, organize, etc., as well as other workers. In this way, tools such as personal computers make activities more effective. Low cost. Through the use of free and open tools on the web, the student can reduce expenses with expensive study materials. Many materials are created by educational communities and shared free of charge on the web. These are some reasons why technology is important in today's school. Thank you for watching.